Hello friends, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can add Google Chrome extension in your Android device. So we know that usually extension used in Google Chrome apps, okay? So we can't able to add extension in Google Chrome, so we need to install another app you can find Play Store. So we need to go Play Store. Here you can see the Play Store. Then here type kiwi sorry kiwi browser. I have already installed it in my device, so that I just open. So when you installing your this browser, then you need to open also. So open, and here you can see the interface. It's look like the other browser. So but it's unique feature, okay? It has a unique feature. So click on the three dot, and here you can see the extension. Okay, I'll identify it. Here you can see the extension. Click on extension, and click here. You can see the three line the left side, and another way, click here. Okay, click on it, and we finally get the interface of Google Chrome extension web store. Okay, Chrome web store, we has finally got it. So how can you add an extension? So here you can see the box, input box. So type anything you can add in your device. So I just type dark mode. Okay, dark mode themes, not why. Okay, dark mode. Then okay, click on it, the first one you can see, and we need to add to Chrome it. Okay, you can see here, click on it, and okay, it needs a few times, then it adds. Okay, so it has successfully added in your device. So how can you use this extension in your device? Okay, we need to go home page in this. So choose any website. Okay, choose Wikipedia. Okay, it has a default, so you can go here, and you can see the right uh, bottom corner dark web. Okay, when you click on it, then it will turn it white or light mode, and when you click on it, then it will turn on in dark mode. So here you can see the extension. Click on it, then you can manage this. If you turn it off, then this extension will not work for this app, and you can also remove this. Okay, when okay, then it will remove for this device. So you can add whatever you want, so use it, and it is very useful app. And you can also add translator, any other extension. Okay friend, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.